If you've ever needed to make your spreadsheet easier to read, then knowing how to resize a column in LibreOffice Calc is one of the simplest and most useful skills you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds, whether you're working on a brand new sheet or an existing spreadsheet with data already inside. This is a quick, beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you've never used LibreOffice Calc before, you'll be able to follow along step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're using it for the first time, you'll usually see the Start Center when it launches. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet. That will open a new spreadsheet file for you. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to work on, you can simply open that file instead. This works the same way whether you're starting fresh or editing an existing sheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top of the sheet where the column letters are shown, like A, B, C, D, and so on. These letters represent each column in your spreadsheet. To resize a column, move your mouse pointer to the line between two column letters. For example, if you want to resize column B, move your cursor right between the B and C headers. When your mouse reaches the correct spot, the pointer will change into a resize cursor. That change tells you that you're in the right place to adjust the column width. Now, click and drag left or right to make the column narrower or wider. As you drag, you'll see the column width change in real time. If your text was cut off or wrapping awkwardly, making the column wider can help everything fit much more cleanly. On the other hand, if you want a tighter layout, you can drag the edge inward to make the column smaller. Just keep adjusting until the size looks right for your content. This is especially useful when you have long text entries, headings, or labels that need more space. A properly sized column can make your spreadsheet much easier to read and more professional looking. It can also help prevent important information from being hidden behind narrow cells. So whether you're organizing data, building a report, or just cleaning up a sheet, this simple trick can save you a lot of frustration. If you want to resize more than one column, you can repeat the same process for each column individually. Just move between the column letters, wait for the resize cursor, and drag until the width matches what you need. It's a very fast way to format your spreadsheet without using any complicated menus. And that's it. That's how to resize a column in LibreOffice Calc. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how your spreadsheet looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.